Off-road enthusiasts, we've made this 2019 Tacoma TRD Off Road even better with the addition of a Toytec Lift Kit, fuel alloy wheels, Cooper off-road tires, and a Toyota Heritage grille. Around back, it's equipped with a Body Armor Overland Rack, a power sliding rear window, rear privacy glass, mud guards, a step bumper, and TRD off-road decals. Drop the tailgate and you'll find a composite SMC bed with tie-down cleats and a 120-volt power outlet. This awesome 4x4 is ready for adventure with a bush guard, front TRD alloy skid plate, and Warn Winch. The TRD's cabin is spacious and feels upscale with premium cloth heated sport seats, climate control air conditioning, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, tilt steering, a leather wrapped wheel, push button start, and an AM, FM, CD SAT radio audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. Road trips are a breeze with contoured bucket seats, and the double cab offers easy access and plenty of room in the back for passengers and gear. There's no shortage of power with a 3.5-liter V6 under the hood, mated to a 6-speed automatic and 1-touch 4-wheel drive. The Tacoma TRD Off Road is already a class leader, and with the added accessories and lift, this one really stands out. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 LEATHEAD Road in Kelowna.